Hello kids, today we will learn about adjectives. Let's learn about adjective. Adjectives are of different kinds. Some of them are possessive adjectives, adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, proper adjectives, interrogative adjectives, demonstrative adjectives, adjectives of numbers, compound adjectives, and comparison of adjectives. Let's revise what adjectives is. Adjectives are words that give further information on nouns. Adjectives can be placed both before and after the noun they describe. For example, Nilofer is a blue-eyed girl. Sagarika has a sugary voice. Possessive adjectives come before the noun and show ownership and possession. My, your, his, her, its, our, and their are possessive adjectives. For example, is this your hat? Be careful while using my things. Adjectives of quality. Adjectives of quality, also known as attributive adjectives, describe the shape, size, color, and features of a noun. For example, Asin helped an old man cross the road. Koel bought a pair of long turquoise earrings. Adjectives of quantity. Adjectives of quantity show the quantity of a noun. For examples, is there enough time for us to eat? Samir paid little attention to what the teacher said. Proper adjectives are formed from proper nouns. For example, I like Italian food. Indian culture is unique. Interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjective pose a question. Which, what, and whose are three interrogative adjectives. For example, which pen is yours? What time is the flight? Demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives are used to indicate specific nouns and tell us about their location from the speaker. For example, this bike belongs to my brother. That computer is not working. Adjectives of numbers, also known as numeral adjectives, show the number of nouns. There are of three types. Definite adjectives of number, which denote an exact number. They are of two types. 1, 2, 3 are called cardinals. A cardinals denotes exact number and answer the question how many. First, second, third. These are called ordinals. An ordinal shows the order of things in a series. For example, Simon has written a 10-page assignment. It's a cardinal. Richa scored the third rank in the competition. It's an ordinal. Indefinite adjective of number, which denotes a number but not an exact number, like all, no, many, few, some, any, certain, or several. Distributive adjectives of number indicate noun as an individual in the whole amount, such as neither, another, every, or each. Compound adjectives. Compound adjectives are formed when two or more adjectives work in a cohesion to modify the same noun. The giraffe is a long-necked animal. Adjectives of comparison. There are 3 degrees of adjectives. The positive degree is the simple form of adjective without expressing increase or decrease in the original quality. For example, she is a cute girl.
Comparative degree draws a comparison between two nouns to show which one of them possesses a greater or lesser amount of certain quality.
For example, the screen is larger than that one.
Superlative degree.
Superlative degree shows the highest degree of quality to show comparison between a group of nouns. For example, Saurav was one of the most successful captains of Team India. Let's have a look at some examples in all the three degrees: tall, taller, tallest; old, older, oldest; cold, colder, coldest;